Hello, everybody. I'm Akmaral from Қарасай Батыр School, and on this lesson we are focusing on adjectives, not not the adjectives, but the pairs of adjectives that end ed or ing. So the main aim is to provide clarification and practice of ed and ing adjectives. So let's go forward. Warm up. So before presentation, I would like to do warm up with the students, life without a smartphone. Students, you should think about two things. One is with a smartphone and the other one is not. So I ask you to tell the difference between them. So when you realize there is no smartphone, think about what you can do without a smartphone at home, especially in such kind of situation, like we are staying at home, and demonstrate the activity. So, for example, imagine there is no smartphone. What other activities can you do without a smartphone? Maybe I can read a book or I can do the cleaning. But when I do cleaning, it's so boring. Yes. So are you going to talk about activities you do with the smartphone? So I need your answers. Next. So look, so adjectives. So these endings are called suffixes. For example, adjectives with ed describes a person's own feelings. For example, bored, confused, interested, excited, surprised. This lesson is difficult. I'm confused. Kate had nothing to do. She was very bored. What about adjectives with ing? Describes a situation, a scene, or a person that causes the feelings. For example, boring, confusing, interesting, exciting, surprising. So I would like to tell that ed in ing adjectives. Ing makes you feel, yes, so an interesting book makes you feel interested in it. Doing something annoying makes you annoyed. Seeing something amusing makes you feel amused. So as you see, I have some such kind of activities. I'm bored because if I don't have a smartphone, I'm really bored. Am I a boring person? Yes, when I talk too much about myself. For example, adjectives ending in ing describe a person or thing that causes a particular feeling. So you have to choose the correct ending for each verb and fill in the gaps. For example, in the first sentence, you have to use satisfy using ing or ed. So when we use ed, adjectives ending in ed describe a particular feeling. And you need to know how to use these adjectives. For example, yes, ing and ed. So ed, it's usually a temporary thing, something that only people can have generally. Only people have feelings most of the times. But some animals can also have feelings. Something or someone is boring. It makes you feel bored. It bores you. Something exciting. It makes you feel excited. It excites you. If you are talking about a temporary feeling or an emotion, use ed. For example, she's bored, he is excited, I'm frightened. If you are describing the thing or a person that caused to those feelings, use ing. That film was strange and it was really confusing. So, my dear students, you have to write all these 26 sentences on your copybooks, and we will just get feedback with you. So, grammar meets conversation. So here we have also very good activity. So step 1, complete the questions with the correct question words. Step 2, interview a friend using your questions. record the answers. You have to record, okay? 3, tell the class some things about the person you interviewed. And 4, write a few things about the person you interviewed. For example, yes, so you have 20 questions and you can ask some which you would like. So thank you. I hope you you make clear, so you are not confused which ending you should use in the adjectives. And I'm waiting for your answers with records. Thank you. Goodbye.